Want to predict market trends like a pro? We'll make it simple and practical. Start with clean charts, candlesticks, moving averages, clear trend lines, and labels. Read candlesticks to gauge buyer and seller strength each time period. Use 50 and 200 moving averages to identify short and long-term trend direction. Draw trend lines to mark support and resistance zones. Update them frequently. Check volume to confirm moves. Rising volume validates breakouts and trend strength. Combine signals. Align moving averages, trend lines, and clean candlestick confirmations before entering. Target breakouts with strong volume and a candle close above the trend line. Use multiple time frames. Confirm the higher time frame trend, then refine entries on lower frames. Manage risk. Set tight stop losses, calculate position size, and respect your limits. Practice on a demo account, record trades, and review performance weekly for improvement. Recap. Clean charts, confirm signals, control risk, maintain discipline, and trade like a pro.